Okay guys, I am flying for a place called Libby Hill Park, and in 1850 a Richmond City engineer named Wilfred Cutshaw designed a 7-acre park to overlook the city and to offer, quote, breathing places, unquote, for the citizens to take in healthful air. Alright, so this video, it's all about comparing 4 LUTs that I like for this video, and I need you guys' help. Let me know which LUT you think fits this video better, and just drop me a comment below. Let me know which one you think works best for you and why. So without any further ado, I'm going to be quiet, put some music on in the background, and let this thing roll. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
soul, can't control. Reach higher, thank you Lord. Grab my soul, it's time to go. I put on truth and grace, like war paint, I proclaim I'm good on all the lies. Recognize my battle cry. Gotta bid farewell to the masquerade, and then pour myself into the hands that made me. Know the devil won't catch me lying down. Boots on, hit the ground. It ain't over. It ain't over. It ain't over till the good Lord tells me so. It ain't over. It ain't over. It ain't over till the good Lord calls me home.
a stormy night. Thunder in my bones, lightning in my eyes. But I never really ever truly felt alive. No, I was a goner, destined to wander. Couldn't hear nothing in my chest, just the ghost of me laid my heart to rest. Turns out nothing in this world could keep me from death. I looked high and low, trying to save my soul. I should have known from the start, you only wanted my heart, my heart. And ooh, you love me back to life. And ooh, this world can't kill me twice. For the things that won't stay down for long, the truth, me and you, and the rising sun, the rising sun. Got that blood running through my veins. I'm the only one to overcome the grave. Now I wander through the valleys of amazing grace. Lord have mercy, oh, He heard me. Made light from darkness and hurt, beauty from ashes and dirt. Kill me twice. Ooh, you love me back to life. And ooh, this world can't kill me twice. For things that won't stay down for long, the truth, me and you, in the rising sun, the rising a sunny day when you knocked upon my door. Oh, I got a different kind of feeling, the kind I never had before. I thought this was quite the coincidence. Then you blushed, and I felt my cheeks flush as well. What a perfect way to spend the day, just dreaming. Way to spend the day, just honeydew, baby boo, sugar bee, love me. Way to spend the day, just hold cupcake, buttercup, love me. I got the tingles in my toes, I got the twinkles in my eyes, I got the butterflies flying around inside. Yeah, I got the birds in the air, singing love is everywhere. I got that kick drum heartbeat pounding, breath short of air. What a perfect way to spend the day, just dreaming. Way to spend the day, just honeydew, baby boo, sugar bee, love me. Way to spend the day, just hoping you feel the same. I'm falling away over the moon, lights ringing for a bloom, boom, boom, boom. Cherry pie, cupcake, buttercup, love me.